This is the second of two instructional videos to help you get the most from the SIRS salary survey. This video will guide you through the process of creating customized reports in each of the three surveys. Let's take a look at the administrative survey. For our first report, let's say we want to create a report that includes superintendents in Eastern Washington school districts between 1,000 and 2,000 FTEs. And we want their compensation data sorted by the size of the district. Well, the first step would be to locate the superintendent data. Using the scroll tabs at the lower left corner, we can scroll through the positions, finding the superintendent tab and opening the superintendent data. We now have all of the superintendent data submitted across the state. So first step is to select the data that we want. In this case, we want Eastern Washington districts. We can eliminate the Western Washington districts by deselecting those ESDs in Western Washington, leaving the four Eastern Washington ESDs. That takes care of the first step. The second step is that we only want data between 1,000 and 2,000 FTEs. You'll see all of the various FTE ranges, but we'll use the auto filter function of between, and we'll type in 1,000 and 2,000. Okay, we now have the Eastern Washington districts ranging in size between 1,000 and 2,000 FTEs. Finally, we want to sort that data by the size of the district. So we'll use the sorting tool at the top of our Excel area, and we'll sort from smallest to largest. Okay, our report is complete. We have all of the data in front of us. We have the comparative data table and graphical representation, and this is ready to send to the printer, ready to go. Let's take a look at classified data, and let's do a second example. For our second example, we know that in the course of negotiations, occasionally a study of cohort districts is desired. These cohort districts are typically a small number of neighboring districts that may vary by size and are often used for comparisons. An example might be to compare the wages and benefits of bus drivers in the Yakima area. Cohort districts might include Yakima, West and East Valley, Union Gap, and Selah. So rather than select our districts, first we select our bus driver data. Rather than using the ESDs to select our districts, we will just pull up our auto filter, and we have all of the districts currently selected in the state. We can deselect all of those, and we can just pick those cohort districts that we want included in this comparison. So we have Yakima, West Valley, we have Union Gap, Selah, and East Valley, Yakima. Okay, that quickly, we're able to create a cohort report. We have the data in table and graphical display, as well as on each of the data sheets. We're able to now just send this to the printer, and we've created a cohort report that quickly. Let's take a look at the teacher survey and do our third example. We may want to create a report of the highest paid teachers in Western Washington, sorted first by ESD and then by district in alphabetical order. Well, we know that we have beginning, mid-career, and most experienced teachers, and we know that by salary schedule, the most experienced teachers are inevitably going to be paid the most. So we can unselect the other profiles, leaving only the most experienced teachers. We also want, in this particular example, only Western Washington districts. So we can deselect the Eastern Washington districts. The next criteria was our sort criteria. And we want to sort, we will sort first by ESD. And so I click this ESD cell, and we'll do a custom sort. The first one will be by ESD, and then we will do a second sort by district. Okay, so what we have in our results now are, the results are by ESD and then alphabetical, and we have our list of Western Washington highest paid teachers. The minimum, maximum, average, median is represented in both the table format and graphical representation. So we've looked at creating reports using the SIRS salary survey. It's our hope that you'll find the new SIRS salary surveys informative, convenient, and useful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact Jamie Chalinsky at 800-859-9272. Thanks again for your continued membership in SIRS.